In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE Drone. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone is a remarkable piece of technology tailored for enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's exceptionally lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel, hikes, and spontaneous aerial adventures. One standout feature is its exemption from FAA registration and remote ID requirements for recreational use, making it hassle-free to fly in many locations. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes, extendable up to 93 minutes with additional batteries, the Mini 2 SE allows for longer exploration and creativity. Its user-friendly DJI Fly app offers convenient shooting templates for effortless professional-level video creation and instant sharing on social media platforms. Moreover, the inclusion of a 10 km maximum transmission range through DJI OcuSync ensures robust connectivity and anti-interference capabilities. Number 2. FIMI X8 Mini V2 Drone. The FIMI X8 Mini V2 drone offers an impressive array of features in a lightweight and compact package, making it an ideal choice for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA or remote ID registration, providing hassle-free operation in most countries worldwide. One of its standout features is its remarkable transmission range, boasting a maximum distance of 9 kilometers. This is made possible by adopting the latest TDMA video transmission system operating in the 5G band, ensuring better sensitivity and anti-interference performance. Capture stunning aerial footage with ease, thanks to the drone's stabilized 4K video shooting capabilities facilitated by a precision 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal. Whether the drone is maneuvering aggressively or flying at high speeds, your footage remains smooth and steady. Number 3. RiseTech Teo Drone. The RiseTech Teo drone is an impressive piece of technology designed for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its high-quality image processor, this drone captures stunning photos and videos with ease. Even for those unfamiliar with piloting drones, the Teo's EZ Shots feature enables users to create professional-level videos effortlessly, which can then be shared directly to social media platforms via a smartphone. Equipped with a 5MP camera capable of capturing photos at 2592 by 1936 resolution and recording HD 720 videos, the Teo ensures clear and crisp visuals. Its maximum flight time of 13 minutes allows for extended aerial exploration and photography sessions. Additionally, the drone boasts 2 antennas for enhanced video transmission stability and a high-capacity battery that extends flight time significantly. Powered by DJI's flight controller technology, the Teo offers a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. Users can perform impressive tricks and maneuvers with ease, making the drone suitable for both entertainment and creative purposes. The package includes essential accessories such as propellers, propeller guards, a battery, micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone. Drone introduces a revolution in drone technology, offering unparalleled convenience, safety, and immersive aerial experiences. Designed with user-friendly features and cutting-edge capabilities, Drone is tailored to enhance every aspect of your flying adventures. With a focus on hassle-free usage, Drone allows users to bypass the cumbersome registration process. Travel light and embark on journeys without the need for tedious applications or waiting times, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable flying experience. Stay up to date with the latest advancements in drone technology. The remote ID feature ensures compliance with regulations, while also streamlining the registration process for specific purposes such as commercial endeavors or flight within designated areas. Experience peace of mind with Drone's comprehensive obstacle detection system. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, users can fly confidently, minimizing the risk of collisions even in challenging environments. This feature is particularly beneficial for novice pilots, offering enhanced safety and ease of use. Number 5. Emax Tiny Hawk 2. The EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 is a versatile and compact FPV, first-person view, drone that offers impressive features suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying experiences. Equipped with a 200 MW VTX video transmitter and an FRSKY receiver, it ensures stable and reliable connectivity, allowing pilots to enjoy seamless control and transmission of video feed. One notable aspect of the Tiny Hawk 2 is its compatibility with both 1s and 2s batteries, providing users with flexibility in power options. This feature allows pilots to adjust the drone's performance according to their preferences and flying conditions. Moreover, the inclusion of 5.8G goggles enhances the overall flying experience, providing pilots with an immersive view of their surroundings in real time. Whether flying in confined indoor spaces or exploring outdoor environments, the Tiny Hawk 2 offers a thrilling and engaging FPV experience.